Hello! Welcome to HealthFit Guide. Today, we will give you a quick and practical tip to accelerate your weight loss process. But before we begin, if you want to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. Discover how just 10 minutes of jumping rope every day can help you achieve incredible results. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about how jumping rope brings both aesthetic and health benefits. But first, think with me. When was the last time you jumped rope? In school or while playing with friends in childhood? Maybe you never took this simple exercise seriously, which can be done anywhere, but come with me, and I'll show you what you might be missing. Let's understand and highlight each of the main benefits provided by jumping rope. The first one, which you probably already know, is that jumping rope is excellent for burning calories. Have you ever thought about running 1 mile in 8 minutes? It seems difficult because it truly is, but jumping rope at a moderate intensity burns as many calories as running 1 mile in 8 minutes, around 160 calories on average. The difference is that with jumping rope, you don't even need to leave your home. Now, speaking about benefits you may not know about, let's talk about bone density. We all know the importance of calcium for bone health, but that alone is not enough. To become strong and resistant, bones need impact, and jumping rope for 10 minutes a day provides continuous micro-impacts to the skeleton, sending signals to the body to send nutrients and maintain minerals in the bones. And this applies to everyone. Studies have shown that jumping rope for 10 minutes a day brings bone health benefits for both the elderly and athletes, even more so than running, which is considered the best activity for bone density. One challenge of jumping rope lies precisely in maintaining a rhythm without making mistakes. Many fitness enthusiasts give up on this practice right from the start because they become frustrated with the exercise. This is normal because jumping rope requires both hemispheres of the brain to work together and coordinate the whole body to jump the rope and move in a synchronized manner. The conclusion is that jumping rope for 10 minutes a day also helps in mental development as it requires focus from the practitioner, improving their attention capacity and even enhancing memory. Studies have shown that people who jump rope for 10 minutes a day increased their reading ability after they started practicing. Agility, speed, balance, all these skills greatly improve by jumping rope for 10 minutes a day. The light, fast, and controlled movements develop a joint work of the body and coordination. All of this reflects in various other aspects, such as balance and even body structure. Jumping rope helps you develop stability in your knees and ankles and also strengthens your calf muscles. If you practice sports or plan to do so, start considering adding 10 minutes of jumping rope to your workouts, as it will undoubtedly improve your performance. For some practices like boxing, jumping rope is practically mandatory. Jumping rope is a gym in your pocket, literally. You can practice it during your business trips, at home on a rainy day, during summer vacations, just a rope and your willingness. Ideally, choose a place with space or indoors, with ample room for the rope to swing, and ensure it is safe in case of possible falls. A great tip is to jump rope in the park, during a family outing or on a weekend to relax. It is an excellent option for those who always want to keep their bodies active and don't depend on treadmills or gyms. Jumping rope for 10 minutes every day offers a series of benefits to the cardiovascular system. This aerobic exercise stimulates the heart and lungs, increasing heart rate and improving cardiovascular capacity. When jumping rope, the muscles are worked rhythmically, which increases blood flow and tissue oxygenation. This helps strengthen the cardiac muscle, improve blood circulation, and increase overall endurance. Furthermore, jumping rope regularly can help reduce blood pressure, control cholesterol levels, and promote cardiovascular health as a whole. Are you excited and ready to start? Then take a look at these essential tips we have selected. Choose the right-sized rope. To determine the ideal size of the jump rope, you can follow some simple guidelines. Follow the steps below. Stand in the center of the rope, holding the handles with your hands. Step on the middle of the rope with one foot and raise the handles towards your armpits. Ensure that the handles are level with or slightly below your armpits. Check if the rope is taut. It should be stretched, but not too tight. If the handles are too high above your armpits, the rope may be too long. In this case, adjust the length by shortening it. If the handles are too low below your armpits, the rope may be too short. In that case, adjust the length by lengthening it. Start slowly, focus on consistency, not on perfect movements. To achieve good results, the ideal for jumping rope for 10 minutes is to keep the body moving for as long as possible. To do this, focus first on establishing a rhythm with your body and aim to stop due to fatigue, not because of mistakes. Try to jump using your calf muscles and not your knees. When you start improving your jumping rope technique, try to do it with your body as aligned and upright as possible, both your spine and your knees. This also applies to your hands. Always try to refine the movement of swinging the rope, so it's primarily done with wrist rotation and minimize movement with your shoulders and elbows. Preferably, jump rope wearing sneakers. Jumping barefoot has no contraindications and is even recommended by many experienced practitioners because it is a more natural way to land on the ground. However, in the beginning, I suggest jumping rope with sneakers because it is common, especially when fatigue sets in, to hit the rope on your foot and make mistakes. Now it's up to you. If you want to start jumping rope, the time is now. We'll wrap up here. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.